Seasonal occurrence of spotted pod borer, Maruca vitrata f. Lepidoptera, Crambidae, in Indian bean and correlation with meteorological aspects. By Singh, N.A., Pandya, H.V. and Patel, S.R. Aim. The present study aimed to highlight the population dynamics of spotted pod borer infesting Indian beans in relation to weather parameters. Background. The indiscriminate use of chemical pesticides by legume growers necessitates the exploration of alternative, sustainable pest management strategies. To develop such strategies, it is inevitable to understand the pest population and its dynamics. Methodology. The study was conducted at a college farm at Navsari Agricultural University during Rabi of 2022-23 and 2023-24. 50 plants were randomly selected from the net plot area. The observations on the number of larvae per plant and percent pod damage were counted. The weekly mean observation made on insect pests was subjected to Pearson's correlation coefficient analysis. Also, correlation analysis was conducted for the data of percent pod damage with weather parameters. Results. The larval population in the year 2022-23 started from 51st SMW. The peak activity was observed in the 4th SMW when 6.46 larvae plant population was recorded, which coincided with the peak flowering stage. During the second season, the year 2023-24, also, the pest population started from 51st SMW with a pest population of 0.8 larvae plant. The peak pest population was observed on the 4th SMW with 6.84 larvae plant. The pod damage started from the 2nd SMW with 10.05% and gradually increased. The peak was recorded in the 12th SMW. Highest pod damage was observed at 55.89%. Similar to the previous year, the pod damage was recorded from the 2nd SMW with 11.67% and the peak was seen in the 8th SMW with 56.63% damage. The correlation of a number of larvae per plant with maximum R is equal to 0.63, minimum R is equal to 0.62, average temperature R is equal to 0.74 and average vapor pressure R is equal to 0.59 showed a significantly negative correlation. During the years 2023-24, minimum R is equal to 0.637 and average temperature R is equal to 0.610 showed a significant negative correlation. In the case of pod damage, it was revealed that maximum temperature R is equal to 0.58 and bright sunshine hours BSSH R is equal to 0.59 exhibited a significant positive correlation with pod damage percent in the year 2022-23. A similar trend was seen in years 2023-24 where maximum temperature R is equal to 0.692 and BSSH R is equal to 0.787 showed a significant positive correlation. Conclusion. Temperature and to some extent vapor pressure play a significant role in the population fluctuation of spotted pod borer in Indian beans. The correlation of percent pod damage to the weather parameters suggested that maximum temperature had a significant negative effect, while bright sunshine hours had a significant positive effect. This knowledge will enable the farmers to keep track of the said pest according to the changing climate. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.